Do you know what? Africa have land capable of producing almost 60% food for entire world population. Not only capable of producing food for Africans. And African lands, if had it been the Europe helped them with tools for modern machines and modern payments, the African land have the capacity to produce almost 60% of entire food world order. So imagine the Europe doing this game since a long time ago. So it's a simple game that will benefit the both parties because it will provide job opportunities for African youths and also provide job opportunities for Europeans, because had it been the Europeans bring down the tools for modern payment, they will just take away the cash crops. Like let them be the trader that will distribute the crops Africa produce from around the globe. It is job opportunity that will help Africa more.